Visual Paradigm Online's AI tool can help you to generate class diagram. In Workspace, press the Create with AI button. Find the AI-assisted UML class diagram generator and press Start now to open it. You can fill in the purpose and scope of your diagram or enter a simple description and let AI generate them for you. Once the purpose and scope are ready, press the AI Generate Diagram from Scope button to proceed. The AI engine will first identify the classes for you. You can add or remove the classes if needed. Next, we review the attributes being identified for the classes. And then, we review the operations being identified for the classes. We can add or remove class members if needed. After that, we review the relationships being identified between classes. The AI engine will give you an overview about that are the classes and their class members, which will be generated into diagram. Then, it will perform a simple quality check on the models based on a couple of common rules. Next, we can add notes to the diagram by either manually enter it or let the AI engine generate it for you. Once everything is ready, press Next button. And then press the Render Diagram button to generate the diagram. Here is the diagram being generated by AI engine. We can press the Import to Visual Paradigm button to import it into our online editor. Here is the imported diagram and we can perform further editing on it. Then, we can save the diagram to our workspace for future use.